What's happening, YouTube? Lee Green back with another edition to review the brand new Hazmat Pro. So the Hazmat Pro features the original Hazmat core that is featured in the Hazmat Solid, as well as the original Hazmat, which has HK22 Sentence Hybrid. And I'm out here on lane 9 to see how this ball stacks up against the other two. As always, if you're new, like, subscribe, hit that notification every time I drop a new vid. Let's go ahead and see how this ball stacks up against the other two. Alright, so as previously stated, the Hazmat Pro, she's a very gorgeous ball, as you can see right here. I chose pin down because I wanted to see a different, I wanted to pick in between the Hazmat and the Hazmat Solid. So when I first threw this ball, just literally a few minutes ago, it was going down the lane too much, but then after a few shots, it started waking up a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and compare this. But we're not gonna start off in this ball. We're actually gonna start off in the original Hazmat. I forgot what the layout numbers was, so it'll be on the screen once I do remember what it was. So Hazmat Solid HK22 Semtex Hybrid. And we're gonna start on, I say 15. That ball is very strong in the mid, and as you saw, it just came up and it's like it's going to slow down a lot. So we're going to try that again and move on to the Hazmat Solid.
What do you think about that ball? The Hazmat Pro.
Oh, it's good so far.
I got the Solid.
Nice.
Yeah.
I decided, yep. Go ahead. Yeah, this roll's really good so far. It just took me a few shots. I just got it drilled yesterday.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so I'm definitely going to see how it's going to roll against these two.
You making a video right now? Yeah.
I'll let you know how it goes.
All right.
That was one of my good friends. He bowls out here a lot, one of the youth bowlers. So we're going to try that again. Ooh, that was a really bad release. That was really bad, but as you can see right there from the first two initial shots, it's really strong in the mids, especially if the lanes break down when I move in with it. So that lets me know I'm in the right spot. And if you notice, I'm going by what year it came out of. Hazmat Pro, not Hazmat Pro, I'm sorry. The Hazmat came out in 23. The Hazmat Solid came out last year in 24. And the Hazmat Pro just came out yesterday. So that's enough for those two balls right there in that spot. We're going to switch to the Hazmat Solid. 502,000 out of the box, no Crown Factory compound. It's actually really dull. This is just has the Semtex Solid. I'm not sure I'm pretty sure it doesn't have HK22 on it. So we're gonna go ahead and stay in the exact same spot. And I'm pretty sure because of the dull surface, it's going to hook sooner than both the Hazmat and the Hazmat Pro. Uh-oh. My footing was off. That was on me. Try it again. Yeah. I overturned it. I didn't keep my hand behind the ball. So we're going to try that again and actually throw it a little bit better. This ball is going to be really good for me if I have to play much straighter and heavier oil. So let's try that again. That should come up. There we go. So as you can see right there, it looks good from that spot. I kept my hand more behind the ball so that it'll turn up a little bit quicker. But because of the core, how big that core is inside, and all three hazmats, it's going to actually start up sooner, but uses its energy up as it's going down the lane, especially with the Hazmat Solid. So we're gonna move 5 with the Hazmat Solid. It's gonna be around 20. All right, standing on 20 with the Hazmat Solid. Nice. I did get a lot of hand into it, so that's why the pencil started dancing around and everything. So from that next spot, we're gonna throw the Hazmat Pro, the ball y'all been waiting for. Ball came out yesterday, and I bought it as an early birthday present because my birthday is next. Is this Wednesday coming up. All right, Hazmat Pro. Twirled it up too much. But it got to the pins because of the core. So I'm gonna try that again and actually make sure to keep my hand behind the ball and not trying to put so much effort into it. So far, first initial shots with it, especially through my first game with it, it looks really good. So, still standing on 20 with the Hazmat Pro. Come on. She looks good going down the lane. She looks really good. As you saw right there, ball looking super clean down the lane. And it just boom, charged up in the pocket in the last second. So this ball definitely picks right in between the original Hazmat and the Hazmat Solid. So we're gonna go back to the original Hazmat, but move 5 boards. So I'm gonna stay on 25 with the original Hazmat. All right. Alright, standing on 25, original Hazmat. I'm gonna try to play in the oils so you'll see what I mean. Watch this. Strong in the mid. Now if there was a lot more friction, it would have turned up sooner. Then again, my hand was more around the ball and not behind it. I'm still working on that figure 8 swing. So hopefully by the end of the summer, before the fall league, and these next few tournaments I have coming up, it's gonna look, my swing's gonna look good, and I'm gonna be a lot more consistent. So once again, standing on 25 with the original Hazmat. All right. That should come up. Oh, nope. Nope. Didn't come up at all. So, I'm going to throw the Hazmat Solid from the exact same spot, and I'm guaranteed because of the surface prep, it's actually going to come up soon. It's going to hook a little bit sooner. All right. That was extremely sloppy on my end. Not going to lie to you. All right. Come on. Slid too much. Try that again, and I'm gonna slow the speed, and I'm going to slow the speed down so it'll actually, so I'll give it time to hook up in the pocket. was a really bad swing. All right, so now I'm gonna stand on 30 with the Hazmat Pro and trying to get it out to the right as far as I can. Hazmat Pro, standing on 30. I'm gonna go ahead trying to project the ball to the right. Uh-oh. Okay. Not as far right as I wanted it, but it got there. So we're gonna try it again. Alrighty, all right. Come on. Much better swing here. Oh, I dropped that one off my hand. Yeah, that was not good. I dropped that completely off my hand. So one more time, and I'm going to have to really slow it down. Oh, that looked good. So now I'm going to play the exact same spot with the original Hazmat. And after that, we're going to go back to where I believe the ball rolled best. I'm looking forward to rolling this ball in the near future. Because I like the motion of it, especially here at Bama Lanes here in Prattville, where there's a lot built-in friction. Oh, hung up with my thumb. A little sloppy. So now we're gonna pick what line is worked best on. I'm going to move back just 5 boards to 25. Let's see if we can end on a good note here. Actually, yeah, we're gonna end on a good note here. Dropped it off my hand. I will graciously take that. So that's the ball review of the Hazmat Pro. And as you can see, I can play different parts of the lane when necessary, and I can play straighter as well. Again, this ball is really good and it fits perfectly between the Hazmat and the Hazmat Solid. And I'm definitely looking forward to throw this ball again in the future. So that's all there is for today. Thank you for watching. As always, if you're new, like, subscribe, hit that notification every time I drop a new vid. And stick around for the next video because I'm going to do a comparison. The Hazmat Pro versus the Anger. So catch y'all next time.